People leaving their shit in the road. Sup, humans? How's your mom and him? How'd you like that new intro? Goes hard, don't it? But yeah, shit. That was cool as hell last night. I wish I could have gotten footage of it, like the actual, like, ritual that I went and attended. But, like, you know, for the privacy of the people I was attending it with, I chose not to film. And, you know, sometimes you gotta take your YouTube hat off and put your people hat on. It's like putting on your thinking cap in kindergarten or whatever. I'm fucking tired, dude. I had to go into work, like the very next morning. I didn't get home till like 1 in the morning. Didn't get to bed till like 2 something. You know, pretty not great sort of situation for the old brain bits. But you know, I'm here. I'm alive. I'm wouldn't say fucking thriving, but I'm certainly surviving. I noticed though, I'm sorry if I'm super late getting back to comments and shit. I only check it like once a week, you know, for my own benefit, because some of that shit that gets held for review is pretty fugly. Yeah, no, there was somebody that brought up an interesting point about my like emotional labor video, and like you know what? I agree. You're right, commenter. I'll put your name on the screen. You're right. I don't know if you're even gonna see this, but like, you're right. Like, being a good friend does not extend to being somebody's personal fucking therapist. And if your friend is having such a bad time that every interaction you have with them is just like them seeking like commiseration and like, you know, sympathy, maybe you should put a boundary in place and refer them to a professional who's more equipped to handle these situations than you. At the end of the day, being a good friend is about listening. It is not about taking on the full-time job of being somebody's like personal therapy dog. Mental health is hard, and some things can be dealt with a friend willing to listen, but a lot of things can't. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm not a psychiatrist. I'm not a shrink. I don't even play one on fucking TV. Like I said in the last time I spoke about stuff like this, you are an individual with needs. And sometimes those around us cannot accommodate those needs, and there are people who are trained to help with them. So if you are having mental health issues that just venting to a friend can no longer assist you with, or you feel like you might actually just be trauma dumping on somebody, we'll discuss that at some other point. But if you feel like you might just be like dumping on somebody every single time you interact with them, or you feel like your friend is doing that to you, seek professional help. Refer your friend to professional help. That's why they're there. There's no shame in seeking it out. Everybody's suffering right now. Everybody's struggling. Everybody has something. Some kind of complex, some kind of worry, sometimes it's beyond a normal person's means or ability to help with that. And that's okay. I just thought I would address that because I feel like maybe that was an oversight in that video that was brought to light by that comment. And like, you know, I like it when people comment constructively like that. That's very good. While I did repeat a lot of what I said in that reply, not everybody reads replies. I do because, well, one, it's my channel, but also I read them on other ones because I'm a drama hound. I'm a drama llama, for real. I'd be looking for them arguments. Read the whole thing. It really is just a matter of what you are able and willing, really, to put up with at the end of the day. So, supportive friend and personal therapist, there could be a very blurry line there between the two. And I think it is up to each person to judge where that line stops being blurry for them. Yeah, no, but like back to the ritual, that shit was cool. That was so cool. It's wild though, because like after it was done, like I caught like a little second wind. Yeah, no, like the ritual was cool as shit. Like a bunch of candles and affirmations, if I'm going to boil it down to its essentials. It was very nice. It was very calm. I was not sacrificed. A pumpkin head was not summoned. It's all good. We didn't end up like Ed Harley. It's all great. I'm definitely going to the next one, actually. I was explicitly invited back. So I guess that makes me like a part of the witch club, huh? I'm in the coven. I'm in the coven. I'm part of the witch club. I might get a patch that says witch club. I don't know, fuck. Yeah, no, but if anyone is wondering about the vest, I go to a lot of like punk and metal shows, and you know, this is my sole means of transportation, and most people have like a black battle vest. This functions like dually so as like safety equipment. Plus, like, I am legitimately like a big fan of like that corrections orange color. It's pretty neat. Appreciate you. The visor down. I have yet to stop by that drip kitchen. I went to the one in Dayton, which, you know, if you're not from around here, that is a meaningless statement. Dayton is like 30 minutes north of where I am currently. It's probably closer to like an hour, 45 minutes, something like that. But it's north of here, and that's what matters. Yeah, no, Drip Coffee's pretty good. I don't know anything about the people who own it. I don't know if they're like weirdos or whatever. It's been a good day. I'm just tired because I'm going on like 3-4 hours of sleep. Fuck, let's go. You better not. See, they would have pulled out in front of me if I was wearing that dark ass hoodie. I'm not sure where I'm going with anything anymore. Like, people really liked the night ride and like psychology pep talk, and like psychology is a special interest of mine. It is also something that I have personal experience with as a bipolar person, but like it's also not a field in which I would consider myself an expert, you know? Like, I haven't read enough about it. Like, I'm not licensed. I'm not gonna like tell you to follow my fucking advice. It's not medical advice. I'm not able to give that. Hashtag not medical or legal advice. But yeah, no, I think the next couple miles are gonna be between me and the insurance company. Y'all have you a good earn.